Welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So dogs platform has listed Binance as one of the exchanges that you can withdraw your dogs allocations into, and in today's video we're going to be showing how you can change your previously selected exchange for Binance. And what you need to do is just to tap on your Telegram app, then open up the dogs platform. So here you can see that we deposited 16,717 dogs to ByBit. So just tap on it, right? And then it says that the deposit is in progress, but I can choose another option. Just so tap on choose another option and tap on exchanges and tap on continue. Okay, so as you can see, Binance has been added to the list, and so has Gate.io. Okay, so what we need to do now is to tap on send here. So it says, do you have a Binance account and everything? So if you do not have a Binance account, get this from your Play Store, your App Store, depending on your device. And once you have this downloaded and registered, then you tap on yes, I have it. So what is required is just the dogs deposit address and the memo for Binance. So all you need to do is head over to your Binance account. Okay, so head over to your Binance, and then what you need to do is to tap on wallets. Okay, tap on deposit, and you search for dogs where we have coins. Okay, tap on dogs. All right, tap on ton coin. Okay, so both memo and an address is required for the successful deposit. Okay, so for deposit address, just copy the deposit address, head back to the dogs platform on Telegram, you paste the deposit address, go to where we have the memo, you copy it, and then you paste it. Okay, and then you tap on send. Okay, so it says you should verify your Binance deposit address and memo. Okay, so all you need to do is just to confirm that everything is in order, everything is correct, because if it's not correct, you'll be losing your allocation. All right, so everything is correct, and then you tap on I confirm. So it says deposit is in progress, now be ready for listing on August 23rd. All right guys, so this is the process in which you can change your previously selected exchange for Binance. So let's tap on Wolf. As you can see, before we had it was going to ByBit, but now we have the 16,717 dogs going to Binance. Also guys, you need to ensure that your Binance account is verified to avoid any restrictions while trading. And what do I mean by this? When you open up your Binance account, okay, on the home interface, you tap on the profile icon at the top left. All right, ensure that you have verified there. Okay, ensure that you're verified. If it's not verified, do the necessary verifications and ensure that your account is verified for seamless trading experience, guys. So I hope, all right guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section beneath, and a team member will be available to respond to your questions. Also, if you do love our tutorial videos, if our tutorial videos bring value to you, ensure to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.